Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. How are you, dear students? This is your English period. First recite dua. Rabbi zidni ilma. Oh my Lord, increase my knowledge. Beta, open your book, page number 25. So we are on page number 25, beta. Write today's date and day over here. Our exercises, learn words. Here are some pairs of words. Which one is bigger? Put a tick next to it. Use a dictionary if you need help. The first one has been done for you. Here, beta, you have been given some pairs and you have to take the one which is bigger. For example, number one, town or village. Which one is bigger? Town is bigger, so they have put a tick on it. Now, number two, lake or pond. Now, which one is bigger, beta? A lake or a pond? Yes, a lake is bigger, so we'll put a tick on it. Number three, farm or garden. Yes, you must have seen farms, maybe real or maybe in videos. The farms are very big as compared to garden, so we put a tick on it. Now move to number four, a rock or a stone. A stone is small, a rock is very big. Put a tick on rock. Number five, hill or mountain. Yes, Kechu is a hill or mountain. Kechu is a mountain. Okay. Nanga Parbat is a mountain. So mountains are bigger than hills. Number six, ocean or sea. The difference between ocean and sea is that ocean is much bigger than sea. Okay. Now beta come to exercise, learn grammar. Rewrite the sentences below and on the next page using may. Don't forget the question mark at the end of the sentence. Beta, we use may when we ask for permission. We use may when we speak to people like our teachers and parents, or when we want to be very polite. We do not usually use may when we speak to our friends or classmates. We use can instead. Okay, so here we have to make the sentences using may. Maybe they are for permission, maybe they are for politeness. All right, so in example, please give me permission to come in. So what we will say, may I come in, with question mark. Now number one, please give me permission to go home now. So what we will say, may we go home now, with a question mark. See, may I go home now, with question mark. Now beta number two, please allow me to speak to Shazia. Now if you want to take permission from your teacher and you want to say that please allow me to speak to Shazia, so what will be the proper way to speak? May I speak to Shazia, with question mark. Okay, like this, may I speak to Shazia, and question mark. Number three, please let me borrow this book. So what will you say? May I borrow this book? May I borrow this book, with question mark. Okay, now turn the page. Number four sentence, please permit me to use the phone. Now how you will say, may I use the phone, with question mark. Number five, please let me have another ice cream. So what will you say? May I have another ice cream? Number six, please let me carry that box for you. Then you will say, may I carry that box for you? Number seven, please allow me to leave my books on this table. May I leave my books on this table? Number eight, please let me borrow your bicycle. So how you will say, may I borrow your bicycle? Number nine, please let me go out and play now. So how you will say, may I go out and play now? Number 10, please allow me to leave the room. And you will say, may I leave the room, with question mark. Okay beta, so you have to complete this exercise in your notebook because the space which is given here may not be enough for you. Okay, so do this exercise in your notebook. Now come to page number 27. So on page number 27, write date and day over here. The question is, fill in the blanks with a, and, or the. You know what are a and or the? Yes, these are articles. When we speak about something for the first time, we use a or an. Okay. When we do not know which person, place or thing it is, we use a or an. Right? Now we use A or N when we are talking about something for the first time, or when we don't know about the person, the place, or thing about which we are talking about. Now you know where we use A or where we use N? Yes, we use A with the words which starts with consonants, and we use N with the words that start with vowels. How many vowels are there, by the way? Yes, I know there are five vowels: A, E, I, O, U. Alright, so let's start our exercise. Number one, father. Where's your mother? Alina. She is baking dash cake. Now, are is she talking about a cake for the first time? Yes, because father asked where's your mother and Alina said she's baking cake. So what we will write here? A or N. Now tell me which article you will use, A or N? A. So you will write A. She is baking a cake. Father. When will dash cake be ready? I am hungry. Now here the cake is coming for the second time. So what we will use? The. And father will say, when will the cake be ready? I am hungry. Okay, it means that he is talking about a particular cake. Which cake? Which the mother is baking. Alright. Now number 2, Nida. I have dash problem with my homework. Will you help me? I have a problem, because first time they are telling about, na, she is telling about us. Nida, I have a problem with my homework. Will you help me, mother? Now let's see what's dash problem. Now problem is coming for the second time, so we will use the here. Alright, mother. Now let's see what's the problem. Number 3, Nasir has dash flat near the park. Dash flat is very nice. So first time we will use a. Nasir has a flat near the park. The flat is very nice. Okay, now we know that which flat we are talking about, so we will use the. Number 4, Hira, there's dash man talking to Sana. Who is he? So first time use, so we will use A. There's a man talking to Sana. Who is he? Amir. Don't you know? The man is her uncle. Why we have used the? Because the man is coming for the second time. Now we know that we are talking about a particular man. Okay. Now beta exercise C, fill in the blanks with A and or the. The first one is done for you. Nadia is a girl who lives in dash house next to mine. We are good friends. Nadia's father works in dash school. He is dash principal. Nadia has dash elder sister who is studying in dash college in Karachi. Dash sister is several years older than Nadia. She comes home whenever dash college closes. So you have to do this exercise number C by yourself. Do exercise this and this in the book. Okay. Now come to the next exercise page. Learn to use the dictionary. Arrange the following words in alphabetical order and write them in the box on the right. The first and last ones have been done for you. Now you know what is alphabetical order? Yes, in alphabetical order, we write the words according to the alphabets. Okay, for example, the first alphabet is A. So, the first word which we will write, which starts with A, after that, the word which starts with B, after that, the word which starts with C, and so on. So, why they have asked us to use the dictionary? Because in dictionary, the words are arranged in alphabetical order. Okay, so let's see which words they have given to us. Elephant, horse, donkey, camel, goat, sheep. Okay, so they have given us some animals name. Now number 1, they have written camel. Why they have written camel as number 1? Because camel starts with C, and there is anything which starts with A or B? No, so C is the first alphabet which we will write. So the camel. Now, after C, which animal should come? After C, which alphabet should come? C, D. Is there any alphabet, any word which starts with D? Yes, donkey. So, number 2 will be donkey. Now, after donkey, which animal's name will come? Let's see. After D, which alphabet come? E. Is there any animal which starts with E? Yes, that is elephant. So, in number 3, we will write elephant. Okay. Now after E, which alphabet come? F. Is there any animal starts with F? No. Then after F, G. Yes, a goat is given, so goat starts with G. In number 4 we will write goat. Okay. Now after G, which alphabet come? H. Any animal starts with H? Yes, horse. So write horse in number 5. Alright. Now at number 6 they have written sheep because S comes in the last among these alphabets. Alright beta. So in this way we can arrange different words in alphabetical order. Alright. So do your work neatly and nicely. Take care of yourself. Jazakallah khairan kaseera. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.